Hi guys, both of these batteries have stopped working. Well, he's just twitching the tiniest little bit. So that's the syrup battery and the jelly battery. So I've just put them in a tray of warm water to see if that restores them at all. So I say he's twitching a little bit anyway, but in my mind he's getting faster. We'll come back later and see if there's any difference. Well, that bit of warmth seems to have restored the solar rocker, or at least the syrup battery. But we haven't got any more power coming through on the jelly battery, so I might have to check the electrodes on that one. Jelly battery working again. When I checked, the magnesium strip was actually only just touching the jelly, so it had been eaten away. So I put a new strip in there that's going down into the jelly properly. So you can probably see we've actually got a display on there now. And then the syrup battery, I've replaced the magnesium strip in that one as well. And he's moving. I think he's going better than he was before. Might get some sunshine on there today, that'll probably help. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.